my name's Avery Keenan, and I'm going to be teaching you guys about the turkey vulture in today's episode of Birding 101. So this is a male and female turkey vulture. So there is no difference between the two genders except for the female is bigger. And turkey vultures are very large raptors with very long wings that they use to soar. They have a black body which contrasts their gray flight feathers on the backside of their wings, but on the tops of their wings they have some brownish outer feathers. They have a bright red naked head and pale bill and legs. So this is a juvenile turkey vulture, and you may be wondering, what is a juvenile? A juvenile is simply just a term we use to call a bird a teenager. So the juvenile turkey vultures look very similarly to their parents, except they have an ashy gray coloring with no red head. So something interesting about turkey vultures is that they actually lack the vocal organs used to make proper songs. So when they do make vocalizations, they are more hissing, and that is typically when they are irritated or when they are trying to find a better spot to find food on a carcass. So turkey vultures actually have tons of adaptations that help them survive in the wild. Typically you can find them soaring along the countryside, so keep an eye open next time you're driving. And it can sometimes be really hard to tell if you're looking at a hawk or an eagle or even a turkey vulture when it is flying. But a good thing to keep in mind is that a turkey vulture will teeter, kind of like this, when it flies. So that's a good way to tell them apart from other bird species. They have a very good sense of smell since they are scavengers. And what a scavenger is that means turkey vultures eat dead animals, which actually benefits nature. And because of this trait, they have strong immune systems, so they don't get sick a whole lot. And turkey vultures tend to roost in trees with many other turkey vultures. And typically they come to Iowa around May when it starts to get warmer, and then they will leave to fly south when it starts to get cooler. So this is an example of a turkey vulture nest, and actually turkey vultures don't build nests at all. They will just find a dark place to lay their eggs. This can be a rock crevice, a hollow log, or sometimes even abandoned hawk or heron nests work. So this example I'm showing you is a hollow log which this female turkey vulture has laid her eggs in, and they prefer to be away from humans when they're nesting, so it's really hard to find a turkey vulture nests, and they can reuse their nest sites for up to decades. So these are turkey vulture eggs, and as you can see, the eggs are creamy white and they can be tinged with gray, blue, green, and then they can also be spotted with purple or brown. And the clutch, there are normally 1 to 3 eggs and there is one brood, and it'll take 28 to 40 days to hatch, and then the chicks will stay in the nest for 60 to 84 days, and when they are born, the chicks are helpless. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode of Birding 101. To see more birding videos, check out our Facebook page or our YouTube channel.